Hi, did you know that you can help the medical research just by using your PC? That's pretty cool, huh? I am Thomas and I am a communication student at the University of Turin. With the COVID situation, I spent a lot of time following online classes, and of course, my PC is basically idling all the time. But what if? Instead of wasting that precious computing power, I can use it to help scientists all around the globe. It's all real, and it's called folding at home. Folding at home is using a distributed computing network that works on a single disease to find a cure or vaccine. That basically means that it'll use your computer to create a supercomputer against diseases. Think about that like a project, where if you're alone, you're gonna need a lot of time to complete it, but together we accomplish more, faster. So please, consider joining us at foldingathome.org.